Here's our outdoor unit. You can see that the unit is actually running. You can't hear it. You can hear these units over here running. You can't hear the Mitsubishi. Very, very quiet. It's in a commercial application where it was just impossible to put anything else into this particular room. And this was the solution, was the Mitsubishi unit. As you can tell, the unit's very quiet. You really can't tell that it's running. You can see that the fan is turning in there, if you can see that. But to feel that the unit's actually on, you really got to put your hand on there and feel, but the unit is actually on and running. And compare it with a regular system here, and you can hear how loud that this unit actually is. This is what's making the noise. And then here's our Mitsubishi. Okay, and that's the Mitsubishi. This is for a commercial application, this particular system was.